Hi there wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the LibbyLou, which is such a cute little name, from BelleTress in the color Chocolate with Caramel. Before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a little 360 here so you can see kind of what this one's all about, and then I'll break it down for you in a little bit more detail. And it's very short in the back. How short? About 3.5 inches short. The sides are 5.5, but they're heavily layered, so take that with a grain of salt. The bang is 5.5, but there are some shorter pieces cut in there. This is an unevenly cut bang on purpose. This wig is also slightly asymmetrical. Let me pull all the hair down so you can kind of see what I mean. See how it's longer on this side than it is on this side? That's not because of the part, that is how the style is cut. This is an asymmetrical modified pixie. Whereas something like Ooh La La or like even Ignite by John Renault, they're a little bit closer to like say a really short bob. And this is kind of a hybrid cut. So the inside of LibbyLou by BelleTress is kind of like this. We've got open wefts on the back and on the sides. We've also got a felt covered ear tab with a little bit of metal, but it's kind of flimsy metal on these BelleTress wigs. Just so you know, you may have to make double sure that they're kind of flush up against the side of your head when you put this one on. We've also got a monofilament side part. It is on the left, alas, and we do have a pre-cut lace front with a little bit of a contour in the front. There's felt lining the perimeter of the top of the cap, as well as the hairline behind the lace front. This is a moderately stretchy wig, very lightweight, very little permatease. And here's a look at the layering up close. If you want to know more about this color, make sure you check out the color spotlight video of this chocolate with caramel. It's really pretty. And I go a little bit deeper into the color in that one. Very short nape on this one. So yeah, this is LibbyLou by BelleTress. I think it's kind of like their answer to something like Ignite by John Renault. It's got very similar layering, very similar effect. I'll say I think this one lays a little bit more asymmetrically. Maybe that's just the sample. But I think that this is a really nice style, would be great in the summer. So again, LibbyLou, real fun little name. And the color is Chocolate with Caramel. Thanks for watching. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs. CysterWigs.com is the name of the wig store. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.